The J.R. Simplot Company has the goal of feeding the world, and expanding our company into Canada will bring us one step closer to that goal. We hope to show the restaurant industry of Canada why our potatoes are the best potatoes grown, as well as help Canadian potato farmers increase their yields through our crop management services. Canada has a population of about 36 million people. The capital is Ottawa, and the major cities our food team will be doing their sales in are Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. Simplot has a lot of potential in Canada, as Canadians consume a similar amount of potatoes to Americans. They are the 13th largest potato producing country, and last year had 347,416 acres planted. Our mission is to not only get our products into the restaurants and fast food chains of Canada, but also to connect with Canadian potato farmers and show what we can provide them. Now, the Canadians already have a lot of potato suppliers, and there will be competition for both our food team and our grower solutions team. We have some of the same competitors in Canada as we do here in the States, so we already know how to effectively market our products to compete with those brands in store and in the restaurant supply business. The challenge will be for our crop advisors and grower solutions to get Canadian farmers to make the switch from various Canadian agricultural science companies. Canadian business etiquette is very similar to the United States. Canadians expect a firm handshake, eye contact when greeting, and introductions usually include the name and the business role or rank. In the business setting, Canadians are generally conservative in manner, speech, and dress. An important detail to note is that you may want to print your business cards with both English and French on them, as French is an official language of Canada and is commonly spoken in Quebec. Most importantly, for our grower solutions team, you're going to be communicating with the farmers. No farmer will want to hear what you have to say if you show up in a nice car and suit and tie. Take company pickup trucks when visiting farmers and wear jeans, boots, ball cap, and a work shirt. Don't push to sell, rather educate. Showcase what Simplot technology can do to increase yields, lower production costs, and show proof of results. Most importantly, build a friendship. No farmer is interested in wasting his time listening to a sales pitch. Be friendly and personable. Don't be afraid to have casual conversation other than business. Overall, be sure to spread a positive image of the Simplot organization. We are family run, we take care of our people and our customers, and intend to keep it that way as we expand our operations north into the great country of Canada. Thank you.